It's Friday and I'm about to open chapter 4, and I am doing a different kind of discussion this week as well. The first thing I would like you to do is open StatCrunch here on the left navigation bar. Open the StatCrunch website, and then you're going to select this Resources tab. And I want you to go to this button right here, StatCrunch This. And it's a bookmark that allows you to pull in data sites on StatCrunch. So I'm going to open that, and it tells you how to install it. I am actually in Chrome, so I'm going to grab this link and drag it to my bookmarks bar. And there it is. And so now it'll stay in my bookmarks. If you're in Internet Explorer, it tells you how to do it in Firefox and Safari. And so you should be able to get that on your page. I'm going to go now to open StatCrunch and just have it open. And then I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to go to FRED data. And then the Federal Reserve Economic Data St. Louis FRED. So it's HTTPS and then fred.stlouisfed.org. This is actually, if you know about the Federal Reserve banks, there's several of them. The St. Louis one has the charge of education. And so they are collecting economic data, and I can research just about anything. I could research recycling, homelessness, home purchasing. I'm going to search women's salaries and see what comes up. You can browse by just about anything. So notice how many things come up. Employed full-time. I can pick quarterly, annually, quarterly, whether seasonally adjusted or not. Black or African American women, 25 to 54 years old, 16 years and older. I just have lots of choices here. So let's just pick the first one. I'm going to pick annual. Oh, I picked quarterly. Let me go back. I need to click on that, not on the title. So there's the annual, so 80 to 85, and you can see that data. If I would like to open this in StatCrunch, I'm going to go back to my bookmarks. I'm going to click StatCrunch this and extract data from this page. And it didn't pick up everything, and that's because it's in a graph. So I'm going to go back here, and I'm going to scroll down, and I can see where they got this information from. So I'm going to go back to this page, and I should be able to find different types of, so let's see, employment, unemployment by educational attainment. How about more education still means more pay? I'm going to pick that. It was a chart, and so it should show up as my data. So I'm going to click chart data. All right, here's some data I can work with. And so I'm going to go back up to that bookmark and click StatCrunch this, extract data from this page, and it puts it all into a StatCrunch menu. So I'm able then to do statistics on this. So if I would like to, for instance, run a regression model, I'm able to. So if I select the X to be the year, like T, and then I pick both sexes, some college or associate's degree, and I hit compute. Let's see if I can expand that. I get a simple linear regression result. I get a correlation coefficient. It's negative. I get this information. I get the equation of the line, which is both sexes, some college or associate degree, that's my y, equals this number, that's my y-intercept, minus 1.5453, that's my slope, times the year. And if I look at it, here is my information. So I believe this is the amount of money per week that they make, and this is some college or associate's degree. So it looks like that's going down. What does that mean? I've got my scatter plot, I've got my regression line. I should be able to make some guesses. I see it's gone up and down, but in general it's stayed around that line. I'm going to have you use this to create a regression line and a scatter plot of data. I'm going to copy this and then I'm going to paste it into a discussion board so that I could share this image with you. I can also right-click to paste and hit Paste Special or Control-Alt-V. It gives you those instructions. Let me know if you have other questions.